Have you ever noticed those fine vertical lines around your mouth? They're often called barcode lines or smoker's lines, and they can make the skin look aged, even when the rest of your face still feels youthful. But here's the good news. Barcode lines aren't permanent. In this video, we'll break down exactly what causes them and how Skin Renewal can help smooth, plump, and restore a youthful appearance to your lips and mouth area. And stick around until the end, because we'll be sharing the ultimate secret to keeping barcode lines at bay for good. At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now. Barcode lines are the fine vertical wrinkles that appear around the mouth over time. They get their name because they resemble the narrow, parallel marks on a barcode. These lines can start off subtle, but as the skin loses collagen and elasticity, they deepen, making lipstick bleed into creases and giving the mouth a pursed or tightened appearance. But why do these lines appear in the first place? There are several key reasons. First, there's the natural aging process. As we get older, collagen and elastin levels in the skin decrease, making it less firm and more prone to wrinkles. Then there's repetitive movement. Talking, sipping from a straw, pursing your lips, and even frowning all cause small muscle contractions that, over time, lead to fine lines forming around the mouth. UV rays speed up collagen breakdown, making the skin thinner and more likely to develop wrinkles. When the skin lacks moisture, fine lines become more prominent, making the mouth area look even more aged. And finally, smoking accelerates the process. The repeated motion of pursing the lips combined with exposure to toxins makes barcode lines much more likely to appear. At Skin Renewal, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. That's why every skin journey starts with a doctor's consultation to assess your concerns and create a treatment plan tailored to your skin. It's about restoring volume, improving skin quality, and preventing future wrinkles with advanced technology and solution-based care. There are several ways we can treat barcode lines effectively. One of the most impactful treatments is Subcision, which works beneath the surface to release tight adhesions and smooth out stubborn lines. Dermal Volumisers restore lost structure and plump the skin around the mouth, softening fine lines and creating a natural, rejuvenated look. For those looking to boost collagen and improve skin texture, we offer a range of collagen-stimulating treatments. Needling and RF needling encourage collagen production, helping to reduce the appearance of barcode lines over time. Laser Genesis and Pico refine skin texture, stimulate collagen, and improve overall elasticity, while carboxytherapy increases oxygenation and circulation, promoting firmer, healthier skin. Rejuvenate Pure, a hydrating hyaluronic acid treatment, deeply nourishes the skin, plumping out fine lines and leaving the mouth area looking smooth and refreshed. At Skin Renewal, we emphasize long-term skin health by tailoring skincare routines that maintain results. Using SPF daily, staying hydrated, and incorporating regular collagen-boosting treatments help keep the skin firm, plump, and youthful for longer. What sets Skin Renewal apart is our doctor-led approach. Every treatment is guided by medical professionals who understand the skin on a deeper level, ensuring the best results. We don't just target wrinkles, we take a holistic approach, combining advanced technology, expert care, and long-term skin strategies to create real, lasting results. You deserve smooth, youthful skin that reflects how you feel inside. If barcode lines are making you feel less confident, it's time to take action. Book your doctor-led consultation at Skin Renewal today and take the first step towards radiant, line-free skin. Your best skin starts now.